Faster! The woods are infested with zombies! Hurry! Use a torch to light the campfire. Those things are closing in. Good thing zombies fear light. Stay close to the campfire, folks.
By daybreak, they'll retreat into the woods.
We toughed out a rough night by the campfire until dawn.
Those light-fearing creeps are hiding in the forest, and this spot looks perfect for settling down.
We reached the camp just as the torch faded. When the campfire lit up, I knew we had another day to live. Light truly brings hope. After running around all night, everyone's starving. Let's grab something to eat.
Looks like there's a deserted kitchen here. Let's check it out. I hope there's something to eat.
Need a hand?
Nah, just take a seat. It'll be ready in no time.
I'm starving.
Food's ready.
Finally! I'm famished.
What's that smell?
I've had enough. Chased by those darn things all night. Now we gotta eat this crap.
Even this crap is barely enough for one meal.
Why do we gotta suffer like this?
I've got one piece of bread left. Gonna tide us over for now. I'm gonna check out the forest later. Maybe bag some game. Trust me, kid. Things will get better.
This camp doesn't seem abandoned for too long. Looks like it was once a hunter's hut.
Let's fix it up first. See if we can find some hunting gear. There might be wild animals in the woods. Hoping to catch some prey. Found it. Approach with caution, then... Oh no, zombies, run! Whew. There are zombies in the woods.
Don't go too deep. Zombies stay in the shade of trees during the day.
Got it. Now won't be too far from you guys. Guys, let's get some wood ready for tonight.
Finally! Found a place to settle.
Can we have some food?
Welcome aboard. However, it's a bit bare bones here.
We'll flesh it up together. But it seems there's no place to crash.
No. No. Stay away from me.
David got attacked by zombies! Guys, to the campfire, now!
Ugh, what do we do now? Zombies are heading our way!
We need heroes excelling in combat.
Appears someone up ahead is calling for help.
God, thank you.
I rushed here as soon as I saw the light, but it seems I'm still too late.
Can you please protect us?
I'll stay. Go check on your partners first. Sorry, but he's not your buddy anymore. I had no choice.
David went into the woods because of me.
No, Zoe, it's not your fault. He did it for all of us.
Guys, there might still be danger around. Let's get through tonight first.
David's gone forever. Where is the damn hope? How are we supposed to survive this? By dawn, we laid David to rest with deep sorrow. It's my fault for not stopping David from going hunting in the woods. He's getting old, and the zombies are more dangerous at night.
Still can't believe it. I didn't even thank him properly for the bread.
Chin up, folks. We gotta fight to see another day. Someone needs to fill in for David's duties. But remember, don't venture too far into the woods. Here, we can view the shelter residents' situation and make proper arrangements. Now, send someone to take David's place.
Oh boy, it's getting windy.
Bad news, folks. We spotted a horde of zombies on our way here. Appears we're in for a zombie tide tonight.
A zombie tide? We can barely survive against a few zombies.
Campfire? No wonder. If it were a watchtower, the light would reach further and not be affected by a strong wind. I've got the blueprint. Didn't get a chance to use it in the last shelter.
Hustle up, guys. We gotta build the watchtower before nightfall.
First off, we need to stock up enough iron for the watchtower.
Is this a scrapyard?
Here we can collect discarded parts and melt them down for the iron we need.
Darn, the wind's picking up.
Gathering up resources and build the watchtower ASAP. Don't let the wind blow out.
Darn, it's the zombie tide! Everyone to the campfire!
Help! Help!
We're burning daylight. Let's get the watchtower set now!
It's working! Those things dare not come near the light of the watchtower.
What's that?
The watchtower lights holding back those regular zombies. Take out the Hulk and we'll survive.
Hope it's not too late.
Right on time, Selena. Thanks for showing up at the perfect moment, Selena.
You gotta thank the watchtower. Its light saved this place.
But our folks...
I'm sorry, but I have to do something before they turn.
The zombie tide came too fast. We barely had any time.
Regular zombies ain't too bright. Simple barriers can effectively stop them. Fencing off the camp with some barriers will make it safer.
Come on, let's get moving.
Our resources are only enough to put up this simple fence.
Guys, the backup batteries I brought are running out fast. We gotta get something that generates electricity. If we don't get power to the watchtower, we're toast tonight.
There's an abandoned mine to the west of the camp. I have a feeling we'll find what we need there.
Bob is your uncle.
Demolition expert Selena, standing by.